Good morning, third grade, and happy Monday. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. Great job. And today we are starting a brand new week of distance learning. So let's take a look at our first page today for our digital agenda. So our morning message quote is, "Oh, it's a happy day when we're able to start a new week together. I am filled with joy when I get to see your smiling faces, and I will see you at Zoom at 11 o'clock. Some things I look forward to this week include blank and blank." So I am interested to see what you have to say today in our Zoom meeting. And our quote today is, "Happiness is a state of mind. It's just according to the way you look at things." And that is from good old Walt Disney himself, my favorite. Some things to remember this morning, your morning to do, excuse me, is to make sure you have your morning check-in. There are a couple of people who keep forgetting to do their morning check-in, and please, please, please make sure you do this. This is how I am taking attendance every day. Also, make sure you check out our digital learning agenda before our 11 o'clock Zoom in case you have any questions about what I'm saying. We have a Zoom call at 11, and an activity you can do in the meantime is our Hungry Caterpillar Yoga. Seems like a fun time. Moving on. We have our weekly sample agenda with some ideas of how to organize your week. Remember, each day we are going to have different activities. Math is going to have a goal, and so will reading and writing. This week, our goal for math is to be able to understand fractions on a number line, and reading is to be able to synthesize between two different texts. So this is just a sample of what your week can look like and how you can lay it out, or how I would lay it out. Spirit Week! Woo! Another great Spirit Week. We have Mime Day Monday, Technology Tuesday, Wacky Wednesday, Throwback Thursday, and Friendly Friday. So each day there are different activities you can participate in. I really hope that some of you participate in them this week. Last week was kind of a bummer. Not a lot of people participated in it, and it means I don't get to see pictures of you. So try to participate. We have charades on Monday, coding, pretty cool, on Tuesday. On Wednesday, try to make up a silly song or dance and send it to me. Get a good laugh. Thursday, Throwback Thursday, is maybe look at some old movies, homemade movies, or go through a family photo book. On Thursday, I am going to be posting a picture of myself. Super excited. You get to see me as a baby. Very cool stuff. And then lastly, on Friday, we can all write a thank you note to our um, local doctors, hospitals, rescue squads, fire departments, police departments, or even our mailman to thank them for their service during this difficult time. So please participate in Spirit Week. And as always, you can send it to my email, sur@ebnet.org. We'll have our Spirit Week participants from Friday up on our screen tomorrow, so check them out. Also, starting this week, we are going to have some optional activities for people who are looking for things to do during the week. We are going to have some fun reading, math, Earth Day activity, because Wednesday is Earth Day, in case you don't know that. And then some maybe brain breaks or fun activities we can do that are optional. So there will be more options on here throughout the week. Something new. Reading this week, we are going to have our new goal, which I talked about a little bit in the weekly agenda, and our goal is to read across more text and synthesize. Ooh, big new word that maybe some of us have never heard before. And I want you to think. Synthesize is to, or combine the learned information and add it to our topics. So today you're going to be listening to a video from Mrs. Weisbrod. You are then going to go find a new book on your topic on the collection of epics. You're going to have links to do this in from last week. And then you're going to pick a subtopic from last week that you already used. So we're not thinking of a new subtopic. You're using one that you already have. And then if my little oops button goes away, you will use our new graphic organizer. I'm gonna put my hands up for a second. Come on. Nope. So underneath here, which you can't see because my little bar is in the way, there is a new graphic organizer for you to use to synthesize. You'll see it when you go to the slides and stuff. Math. Okay, let's talk. Math. Raise your hand if you think you worked, as Mr. says, your 110% effort on math on Friday. I don't know. I think we can give it our 120% effort because math, when you have freckle and there's 11 questions, we should be spending at least a minimum, which is the smallest amount. We learned that in math also, the minimum of at least 20 minutes on our freckle assignments. So a lot of us may have not done so great on the math on Friday. So like sometimes as our likes to do, I give second chances. So you're going to notice that this is very similar to Friday's assignment because it's the same thing. So you're going to be doing the freckle assignment of compare similar fractions. If I see you are doing it in 4 minutes, I know that you're not drawing pictures. Make sure you're drawing those pictures. Take your time, draw your circles out. Make similar fractions to compare, same size fractions, possibly different pieces. Take your time on this. I want to see some improvements and for you to take some time before we move on to the next lesson. Science just does not want to show for us. Don't know why. Science this week, you can look on it. There is a mystery science activity for you to do and lots of awesome links for you to do. Hopefully, maybe it will work tomorrow. But you know, science is always a mystery. And today is National Look-alike Day. That's you, Jackie. Twin Day. So take some time, research about the holiday, and find a way to celebrate. Maybe leaving your Flipgrid. If you can choose anyone in the world to look alike, who would it be and why? I may take my own idea and try it myself. Who would I want to look like? I don't know. Gotta think about that one. But other than that, have a great day. I will see you at 11 o'clock at our Zoom call. Come with any questions that you may have, and have a great day and continue to be awesome. Bye, boys and girls.